Welcome to the spring semester at Ozarks Technical Community College. Back in November, the southeast corner of the Springfield campus was a parking lot. 3 months later, construction of the Robert W. Plaster Center for Advanced Manufacturing is well underway. The asphalt where the parking lot once stood is gone, the ground is level, and they're beginning to work on the east side foundations. The $40 million, 120,000 square foot facility is scheduled to open in August of 2022. We welcomed our students back to our campuses and centers on January 19th, and just like the fall, online is our biggest campus. And that growth in enrollment is likely driven by the pandemic, and the college incentivized students who took 12 hours online with the option to take another 3-hour class for free. Students who are taking in-person classes on the Springfield campus came back to a nice treat: free breakfast. The Eagle Breakfast pilot program to combat student food insecurity is possible because we couldn't have student picnics this year due to COVID. Students have a choice of different entrees and a drink, and all students are eligible.
But opening to all students really takes the stigma out of it. Students who may be embarrassed about having to have free breakfast, this takes the stigma completely out of it. And I think that has helped the students take advantage of the Eagle Breakfast. And what the Eagle Breakfast was designed to do is to give them nutrition to help the education process.
Eagle Breakfast is available from 7:30 to 8:30 at Cafe 101 at the Springfield campus. The college plans to have a socially distanced graduation this year on Wednesday, May 19th. But to reduce density, we'll have 2 ceremonies at JQH Arena, one in the late afternoon, one in the evening. More details to come. We'll be off on Monday, February 15th for President's Day. The next day, we'll have the opportunity to enjoy a virtual academic program showcase in the morning. That afternoon from 2 to 4 p.m., we'll watch the second annual Innovation Celebration, which will be streamed via OTC's YouTube channel. Also, the college will grant Trailblazer Awards to our employees who make an impact on the college and the community, and some deserving departments will earn grants to help them implement innovative programs and ideas to support the strategic plan. We'll see you virtually on February 16th. Each year at this time, we try to compile all of the previous year's accomplishments at the college into one publication. It's a document fondly known as the Annual Report. This year's theme is resilience, for reasons we can all understand. The publication highlights how we helped our students through virtual learning last spring and summer, then came back strong in the fall. Plus, it tells the story of students and alumni, including one respiratory therapist on the front lines of the pandemic. All of that plus the donor honor roll. A big thank you to OTC Foundation board member Sam Hamra and his wife June. The couple recently facilitated the gift of 2 paintings to the college. Zinnias and In the Limelight are on display in the Hamra Family Library. Back in November, technical education fanned out across the Ozarks for a sort of in-person but kind of virtual Explore OTC event. As part of that event, video producer Jeff Thompson created a day in the life of middle college students, and we thought you'd like to see it. Enjoy the video, wear your mask, and until next time, I'll see you around the college.
I moved here my junior year, so we were kind of looking into doing dual credit, and we found middle college, and it seemed like a great mix of finishing my high school diploma and getting my associate's degree at the same time.
So I found out my freshman year through one of my classmates who was a grade older than me, and I was like, that sounds pretty interesting. That's something that I'd like to do.
Middle college is basically a high school program that's run on the OTC campus where students attend here full-time. They take their high school classes in conjunction with college classes. A middle college student, you get to pick your schedule and your path in terms of what you want to do.
I get here about 8 o'clock every single day. On average, I have like 2 or 3 classes, and I probably have like a 2 or 3 hour break like for lunch, and so I spend a lot of my time studying and kind of working on schoolwork, and it's really great because like in high school you don't have that extra time, and you get that to kind of stay ahead and get ahead.
I wake up, go to class between 8:30. If I have a class after that, go to that class. If I have time between those classes, I can just use that time how I like. If I'm hungry, I can go get something to eat. If I feel like studying, I can go study. The path that I'm on right now, I should be able to graduate with both my high school diploma and general associate's degree.
I will have my associate's degree when I graduate, so I will have 62 or 63 credit hours worth of college work done and for free, because I don't have to pay for it.
Students can still participate in athletics, they can still attend dances at their home high school, but you just have a different environment in terms of your school day. You're really working, living, breathing on a college campus.